Hello friends, welcome to my channel Strategy with Scanner. Today, let's see how to trade straddles and strangle in Bank Nifty. Disclaimer. This is November 20th, 2020's trade. For this day, that is November 28th, the strategy I've selected is straddle. Now, you might be wondering what straddle means. It is nothing but selling the same strike price, call and put at the same time. Here, for today's trade, I have selected straddle because today is a sidewise market, also called as non-directional day. As you can see on the screen, I have sold 28,900 call at 431.30 and sold 28,900 put at 545.45. You can observe it on the given live screen recording over here. Total premium received after selling both call and put is 976.75. For today's trade, our target is 90 points and our stop loss is also 90 points. Now combining both premium, that is call and put, we estimated that our target should be booked once it touches 880 points and our stop loss is 1080 points. To tell you in terms of rupees, it is 2250 rupees profit target and stop loss is at 2250. Now, here our biggest challenge is how to select sideways days. No worries. I am here to teach you how to select the sideways days one day before the trading day, as this is the crucial part of this strategy. Now, what after choosing the sideways days? You must know which strategy to select. Is it strangle or straddle? This course offers you everything. I will teach you which strategy to select between straddle and strangle to make good amount of profit. Now, as you can see over here, how to fix the target and stop loss will also be taught in the same course. In the left side of your screen, you can see the live recording of the profit in the given green box in terms of rupees, and you can also observe the date and time right above the running profit box. The points are how to select sideways days and which strategy to apply to make profit and estimation of target and stop loss. All these points will be taught in just an hour of duration. The session will be conducted one-to-one and it will be an online class. Now, you are seeing the live charts running over here which are set in 15 minutes time frame. The above chart depicts 28,900 call and the below one is 28,900 put. Now, you can see at 11:15 am it is running at 656.25 negative. But don't worry, our stop loss is at 2,250 rupees as I have shown before. The good thing about this strategy is that it follows the rule: good returns on small investment. The investment required over here is just 10,000 rupees. Here you can see all the negative numbers converting to positive in just few minutes. I will share the trading levels in my personal WhatsApp and Telegram group. Telegram link is given in the description box below. Do not forget to join. And don't forget to keep an eye on the running profit. You can learn this strategy in just 1 hour by just paying rupees 2000 only. You can recover the amount paid in just one successful trade. To prove this point, you can see the live recording shown. So, if you are interested in learning this strategy, contact me on the given number shown, and you can contact me through WhatsApp also. And don't forget to keep an eye on the running profit. As you can see, our target is achieved. Classes will be conducted in your own comfortable language. There is 5 language option. You can choose which is comfortable for you. If you are interested in learning this strategy, contact me at this number or text me on WhatsApp. Reserve your training date and time and start earning a good amount of profit by investing small amounts. And don't forget to like the video and share the video with your friends. And if you have any doubts or opinions, feel free to use the comment box and you will be respond very soon. Thank you for watching.